something different again. A Dominator lockbox for locking your tools away in your van, or a van vault as people call them. Problem is, cylinder's broken, and she's a teardrop shaped cylinder, not a Euro cylinder, not an oval cylinder. So this is going to have to be replaced, along with the lock, which is a deadbolt. To change this thing, two bolts here, two bolts holding the cylinder, and then two holding the lock on. Now, there's no space to get a screwdriver on here. To get something on to screw them out. Now, this is where we low entry screwdriver or ratchets come on. Take normal bits. There's a wee mini ratchet. Cylinder actually isn't that bad. That's the lock itself that's shat itself. Let's try something a tad more industrial. Proper Euro cylinder. Proper Euro cylinder deadbolt. See if we can get this to work instead. Nope. That's not going to work. Holes are too close together. Plus, this deadbolt's centered, so it's not going to line up with the hole for the actual Euro cylinder. That's not going to work. So the only other option is to repair and see if we can just get a bit longer out of this lock. Just put a bit of Loctite onto these. Make sure it doesn't come apart again. So that's okay. See if we can do anything with this. Well, there's not much to this anyway. That's actually all that's wrong. The screw came out for that centre support. So a very basic lock. Small M4 screw should be all we need. Plenty of lock goo. Make sure she doesn't come out again. That should be that. Should click in. There we go. There we go. That's her working again anyway. Better than nothing. Refit this. That's her. Open. Locked. You have to use the other key then for the other side. That's her. One Dominator lockbox. Repaired. Repaired instead of upgraded, sadly.